You could see where this where my skin is actually somewhat broken. It's been healing slowly. This is due to my immune system being compromised from immune therapy from as I battle stage 4 cancer. I have immune therapy every 28 days, which hypersensitivity to my immune system causes a lot of skin issues. Skin issues are probably a lot other parts of my body, but over the last few months, it's also shown up on my face, underneath the eyelids, as well as I used to have a real bad one on the top eyelid. I did take some medication. I'm on Dupixent, but to help the hypersensitivity, but the wound care is kind of independent. And the creams and stuff that the doctors have been giving, they're very low dosage because they don't want to, with it being so close to the eye, they don't want to give me something that's going to harm my eye. So now I'm using this Beauty Frost wand. It's the tool that comes with the P90 Plus, and I really hadn't used it very much at all, just because I really didn't understand the tool very much and how to use it. And then I saw the person who introduced this technology to me, Trisha Costa. She did a video earlier last week about how she uses it every morning. And so when I saw that, I said, you know what? This probably could help my healing of my wounds, because this is microcirculation, and it helps rejuvenate the cells and the collagen repair. I mean, I don't know much about this technology. I'm not an expert. I'm not an esthetician. I'm just a man on Father's Day trying to get himself back to a youthful glow, and at least a place where I'm presentable. So anyway, you could see, and all you do, it's like warm, it's radio frequency. So this radio frequency basically feeds your body pulses and causes your cells to start rejuvenating from the inside out, basically. And this is it actually feels really good. I mean, I'm actually, because my skin had been so itchy and sensitive, but this is really, I wish I would have used this a lot earlier. I'm going to continue to do this for the next week or so, and I'll come back and do another video in about a week, and just, we could see the improvement. But you could see right here, these dark spots, these open former scabs that had opened up. And I think this is actually gonna do some pretty incredible stuff. But anyway, hopefully you have a great day. I just wanted to kind of share this with you as I do kind of my routine before I head to bed. You take care. God bless.